Allu Arjun completely shines in the film, but still, Pushpa was a mixed bag for me. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And yes, watch the first show of the much hyped Telugu film Pushpa, which stars Allu Arjun in the lead role and is directed by Sukumar. So, firstly, is it a good film? Well, it has its high moments, but the way the overall narrative was handled, I was a little bit underwhelmed by it. Of course, this review is going to be spoiler free, but whatever you watched in the trailer and guessed out the storyline, it is pretty much that only. The film depicts the rise of Pushparaj from a lorry driver and a labor worker in a forest rich in red sandalwood to a don of that area where he smuggles this sandalwood and becomes rich and powerful by eliminating his obstacles on the way. So yeah, as an audience, we pretty much know what the end game is, and that's fine because there is nothing wrong with having a linear and a predictable storyline. Because I'm walking into the theaters for three main reasons. Number one, the story, even if it's predictable, needs to keep me engaged and hooked. Second, Allu Arjun, of course. And third, Fahad's cameo. But for me personally, there were two big drawbacks in this film. One is the edit, because there are instances where you might feel that the story is dragging a bit. Now, I honestly did not care for the romantic angle. Like, it's fine, have the romantic subplot, but it kept breaking the flow of the narration for me. And the reason for that is because I did not feel invested in the couple. I just didn't feel the spark between Rashmika and Allu Arjun for some reason. I was more interested to see Pushpa's arc as a smuggler. Second drawback is that while the character sketch of Pushpa was superb, the supporting characters, including the villains, were not as well developed. So the standoffs from time to time did not look as intimidating. Like when Allu Arjun was coming onto the screen, I was seriously intimidated. I was in awe. In fact, I would say the same for Fahad also, even though he has a cameo. His screen presence is on another level. I was really intimidated by his presence. But that's it, only for these two characters. No other character came off as strong or at par opponent of Pushparaj. Now, what I loved about the direction by Sukumar is that he could actually strike a really good balance between keeping the look and the pulse of the film real and rooted, and yet there was a larger than life feel to it. It's not very easy to achieve this balance so well, and this only shows what a capable director Sukumar is. The cinematography is a very big highlight of the film. The frames are incredible. I mean, this movie is visually stunning, and yes, we have those typical slow-mo shots when it comes to the action, but executed so brilliantly. The color grading is great, and all the camera work which is done in the forest area were probably the high points of this movie. In fact, the camera work in all the songs, they are also done really well. It made watching the songs very engaging. For the BGM, I would say that it's quite decent but not mind-blowing. The action scenes BGM is actually good, but then there are certain emotional scenes in the movie that I couldn't connect with. Partly because of the poor narrative and edit that kept happening from time to time, but also the BGM was not that impactful in those scenes. Because we have very less emotional scenes where Pushpa is actually shedding a tear, and all of that drama portion is related to him and his mother. But I just couldn't feel that emotion in my heart. Like, I was not sad at all looking at those scenes, and the BGM also just couldn't, invoke that emotion inside of me. So yeah, these kind of things from time to time were taking away my attention from the film. But the songs were really enjoyable, honestly. The composition, choreography, cinematography, singing, I liked it all. Especially the first song with Allu Arjun where that step is there, this one, the shoulder step, that song is really enjoyable. I also want to appreciate the makeup artist, especially for the look given to Allu Arjun. His entire makeup, full getup was very impressive. So I definitely want to acknowledge their hard work as well. Now, coming to the action, I loved it. Honestly, I loved it. And there are not many action scenes in the film, but whatever they have included, it has been executed very well. The action sequence in the second half inside that forest is literal perfection. I mean, the stunts, the overall choreography, Allu Arjun himself flexing, oh man, the whole thing was just so engaging. That is the best moment of that film, at least for me. The only place where I thought to myself that, okay, this is a really bad scene is, okay, not really a spoiler, but there's a scene where a lot of red sandalwood logs are thrown into the river, and it's quite a long sequence. So there is VFX involved, and it is really poorly executed, and the whole thing looks very artificial. And it really sticks out like a sore thumb. So that's the only part of the film where I thought, okay, if you're making such a long sequence, you should have done the VFX properly, because it really looked artificial to me. Performance wise, Allu Arjun is like 10 on 10. He is absolutely on beat, on pitch. He was perfect as Pushpa. Like, everything was amazing, you know, his dialogue delivery, his expressions, his dancing, his style. Literally, I couldn't find any flaw. I just felt really bad that, okay, because he seems to have given his 200% to the role, I feel that the script in so many places just failed him. His screen presence is legit no joke. I mean, when his entry happened, people were whistling and people were clapping. And the second time this happened was when Fahad came onto the screen. So I personally felt so happy because there were so many Fahad fans also in the theaters along with Allu Arjun fans. For the rest of the supporting cast, I would say that they were decent. I wouldn't say they were very impactful. The actor who plays Pushpa's friend, I liked him. His comedy moments were quite good. But other than that, no other performance really stays with you till the end. This is out and out Allu Arjun's film, and I think his diehard fans are gonna have a great time watching it, though I'm not very sure how they're gonna feel for the climax. People might be disappointed. At least I was a little bit underwhelmed with the climax sequence because the cliffhanger wasn't as intense. See, because when a movie is divided into two parts, the ending of the first part matters a lot because it needs to build the anticipation and the hype for the second part. I personally felt that it was not as impactful as it should have been. I mean, the makers cannot take the easy way out with the audience just by hyping it as, okay, it's gonna be Allu Arjun versus Fafa, and then not give us a really good cliffhanger to talk about. For example, when Bahubali 1 ended, literally that cliffhanger was so talked about and people were so hyped that it eventually became a meme. And considering the hype that has been around this movie, the least we deserve as an audience is an amazing cliffhanger so that we can talk about it. So if you have watched it, do let me know. Here I feel the opinions can differ. You might have really loved that cliffhanger. Honestly, for me, it was a little bit underwhelming. So as a final verdict, I would say that this is just a one-time watch, and yes, there are good moments, amazing moments in the film, but it doesn't make me, you know, excited to watch it again. Like, it does not have a repeat watch value, at least in my opinion. Do let me know what are your thoughts in the comments below. And yes, with that, I will end the review here. Those were my thoughts on Pushpa Part 1, The Rise. The Part 2 is going to be The Rule, Pushpa The Rule. So yeah, with that, I will end the video here and I will sign off now. Share in your thoughts in the comments below, and I hope you have enjoyed this review and have come till the end. I will see you soon on my next video. Bye!